Hello friends, this is part 5 of solved question paper 6 semester paper c-13 Electromagnetic Theory Physics 2022 Dibrugarh University. So before we start, please do subscribe the channel, hit the thumbs up button, also share with your friends, inspire me to create new contents for you and help me to grow my channel. And if you want to follow me on Insta, this is my Insta ID OJHALAKHYAJIT 123. This is my Insta ID. You can follow me on Insta. So now let's start. So we have already solved up to question number 5. Today we have this question only, question number 6. And 6a, we need to write short notes on skin depth. I have already made a video on this topic, so I have given the link in the description box. Please do watch that video. So now let us discuss about Brewster's law. So let me give you the answer. So this is Brewster's law 6b. So now you see, first let me define a Brewster's angle. What does it mean? Okay, so it can be defined as, so Brewster's angle theta b can be defined as the incident angle theta I at which the Fresnel's reflection coefficient is zero. Okay, now you see, for perpendicular polarization, that means for the case of this E vector perpendicular to plane of incidence, perpendicular to plane of incidence, right? In that case, reflection coefficient is given by so let me write this symbol tau, perpendicular coefficient, that is given by n2 cos theta I is the angle of incidence, n1 cos theta t, so angle of transmission, right? Or you can say angle of refraction. Okay, then n2 cos theta I plus n1 cos theta t. That means, you see, this is the interface. Suppose this is the incident ray, and here is the normal. Suppose just wait, this is the normal. Suppose this is the normal. Okay, and this is the normal, this is the incident ray, and this is the transmitted wave, and this is the reflected wave, right? This is the reflected and this is the transmitted wave, and this is theta I, angle of incidence, and this is theta t, right? This is theta t, this angle is theta t. Here we have taken the electric field vector is perpendicular to the plane of incidence. This is the plane of incidence and perpendicular to this plane of incidence, right? So that's what we have taken. So this angle of reflection will be equal to angle of incidence, so I can write theta I here also, right? So hope you have understood. And the so refractive index of this medium is n1 and that of this medium is n2. Okay, so here let me write the meaning of these symbols. Angle of incidence, then this is angle of refraction, n1 and n2. Now according to the definition, this must be equal to 0 if theta I is equal to theta b, right? So let me go to a new slide. Therefore, you see, if you know, let me tell you one more thing. If theta I is equal to theta b, if this is the Brewster's angle, then this angle must be 90 pi by 2. Okay, so that means for theta I is equal to theta b, we can write theta b plus that is theta I, which is equal to theta I, nothing but theta I. That means theta I is equal to theta t, plus theta t, that should be pi by 2. And if these two equal, you can put here theta b plus theta t is equal to pi by 2, or theta t can be written as pi by 2 minus theta b, right? Let me go to the next slide. Okay, here you see, and for theta I is equal to theta b, this reflection coefficient must be equal to 0. So that's why what we get here, for theta I is equal to theta b plus theta t, that is equal to pi by 2, or you can say theta t is equal to pi by 2 minus theta b, and the reflection coefficient tau perpendicular and tau parallel also 0. Here we are taking this condition only, E perpendicular to plane of incidence. You can consider E parallel to plane of incidence also, then also you will obtain the reflection coefficient. Okay, Brewster's angle, Brewster's law. So let me take this one only. You can use Snell's law also if you want to use the Snell's law. I will show you that one also. So now what we can do, let me copy this. Okay, this tau perpendicular should be 0. If that is 0, then we can write this is equal to 0, right? And if this is equal to 0, we can say n2 cos theta I is equal to n1 cos theta t, because you see this must be equal to 0. If you transfer this term to the other side, then these two will be equal, right? And if that is the case, then cos theta t by cos theta I, okay, is equal to n2 by n1, right? So it happens when theta I is equal to theta b. So let me replace the theta I by theta b. Okay, so let me replace the theta I by theta b. Okay, so if that is the case, now we can see that theta t can be replaced by this. So cos theta t, instead of theta t you can write pi by 2 minus theta b, so by cos theta b is equal to n2 by n1, so which is equal to sin theta b by cos theta b is equal to n2 by n1. So that's going to be 10 theta b is equal to n2 by n1. So theta b is equal to 10 inverse n2 by n1. So this is the Brewster's law, right? This is the Brewster's law. And if you apply the Snell's law, then also you can find this. Let me show you how. You see, or using Snell's law, using Snell's law, what we're going to have, n1 sin theta b is equal to n2 sin theta t. Okay, that's what we're going to have. And sin theta b, by sin theta t, that's going to be equal to n2 by n1. and sine theta t, you know, sine theta b by sine theta t can be replaced by pi by 2 minus theta b, right, n2 by n1. Now you see sine of pi by 2 minus theta b, that's going to be cos theta b, right, that's going to be cos theta b, and sine theta b by cos theta b, that's going to be equal to tan theta b. Okay, so which means theta b is equal to tan inverse of this. Hope you have understood this. So what I have done here, as I have not enough space here, that's why I have shown like this. So sine theta b by sine pi by 2 minus theta b is equal to n2 by n1, and let me add one more step here, that is sine theta b by cos theta b is equal to n2 by n1, which gives this. So this is Brewster's law. Okay, you can obtain using Snell's law as well. Okay, this is Brewster's law. Okay, similarly this one also, right? So hope you have understood this. And next one is nickel prism. Let me give you the answer. So here is the last answer to the nickel prism. So this is the first piece here, this is the piece number 1, okay, and this is 2. Then pause the video and take the screenshot. Here is the third piece, pause it and take the screenshot, or you can note it. And this is the last piece. Okay, let me show you again. So these two are first and second. This is first page, this is second page where the diagram is drawn, that is second page, and the third page is this is the third page, and this is the last and fourth page. Okay, so this paper is now completed. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.